Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. And thank you for giving another time more. Thank you so much talaga sa pangdagdag. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ayan, Matadila. Si Sisi nag-eat. And ayan. I don't know what this one inside. Ayan, food. I don't want to open. And this one is not for me. And this one is for Madam. Okay. Ano na yan? What's the name? There is name. Okay. Ayan. Thank you again. As of what I'm telling. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for giving. Ayan yung corn para sa na parot sa pagkain sa alaga ni Sir na si parot that I found in the balcony. Okay. Okay. Once again, thank you so much. And even that I have, what's that? I have time. I can insert my time to make my live for the additional. Okay? So, thank you so much. And happy Tuesday to all of us. And I want to say thank you. Thank you. Thank you, subscriber, not subscriber again. To all viewers, not viewers, supporters, not supporters. Thank you a lot for giving me time, and you have a open-minded and thoughtfulness and kindness to watch in my live, in my short videos, and in my videos that what I have, not only to me, some also of the social media that they have their different channel, their individual channel, or any kind of social that you are belong in the social media. And God will be provide everything whatever we need as of what I'm telling. Don't make don't make it habit, or just you are doing no cannot say another words just to say repeating and repeating to say no respect. You must to think first before you talk, and you say like that one to the someone, whatever you are, whatever he is, whatever she is. So you must to think first. Okay? Because check yourself first and who you are also. And God knows everything who we are. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, Lord, for everything that what I have. We just continue work and until we can we can survive everything what we have in our life. Okay, so thank you and thank you very much, and more blessings to all of us. I'm just giving some another 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 place or another videos ba. Not only this one. Okay, so what here, so I finished na here. We just be making the putor. So outside is very silent na because they are ready na to the putor. Okay, just so say thank you. Spread the wings that we have, that what we have in our life. At saka lagi niyong tindaan, hindi tayo pwedeng makikialam. Just comment, yeah, we can comment. Pero don't think that nang hilabot tayo sa bawat buhay na meron tayo, sa buhay sa mga ibang tao. Okay? Just a comment. It's just a comment and it's not pakialamero. Hindi yun, it means to say, it not means na manghilabot. Okay? That is only a comment, and bye!